Samsung's One UI 8 update, a rocky road for Galaxy users. Samsung's latest software update has hit a major roadblock, leaving Galaxy users frustrated and confused. While Samsung's One UI updates usually bring excitement, the One UI 8 release has been anything but smooth. After its initial launch on the Galaxy S23, Samsung began rolling out the Android 16-based update to older devices. However, things took a turn for the worse. Samsung pulls the plug on One UI 8. Earlier this month, Samsung abruptly halted the One UI 8 update for several devices, including the Galaxy S22 and S24 series. Now, the Galaxy S23 series has joined this growing list, as reported by users on social media platforms. This move has left many Galaxy owners wondering what went wrong. "It's like Samsung hit the brakes on their own update train," exclaimed a Galaxy S22 user on Reddit. While Samsung hasn't provided much information about the specific bug that caused this decision, some readers have pointed to battery drain issues post-update, particularly on the Galaxy S24 and S22 devices. The Galaxy S23, a casualty of the update fiasco? Although there aren't widespread complaints about the One UI 8 update for the Galaxy S23, Samsung's community page and Reddit users have reported issues with the secure folder and unexpected restarts. It seems Samsung identified a critical glitch, prompting them to pause the update for this flagship device. "I updated my S23 to One UI 8, and now my battery life is a nightmare," shared a user on Samsung's community forum. Samsung has resumed the update for the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus, but owners of the Galaxy S22 Ultra are still awaiting their turn. With the One UI 8 update for the Galaxy S23 series released in September, most users have likely already updated. For those affected, the only option is to wait for a separate update to address potential issues. Here's hoping Samsung learns from this experience and avoids similar pitfalls with the upcoming One UI 8.5 release. Have you encountered any bugs with One UI 8 on your Galaxy S23? Share your experiences in the comments below.